As the world rapidly urbanizes, the need for sustainable and resilient infrastructure has never been more urgent. Civil engineering plays a central role in shaping cities, roads, utilities, and entire communities. But behind the technical blueprints and construction schedules lies a pressing concern: the environmental impact of development. Outsourcing, often seen as a business strategy for cutting costs and increasing flexibility, is now emerging as a significant player in the conversation around environmental responsibility. Every infrastructure project affects the natural world. Poorly managed grading can lead to erosion. Inefficient stormwater systems can cause flooding and water pollution. Construction in ecologically sensitive areas risks long-term damage to biodiversity. The responsibility of minimizing these impacts does not rest solely on the shoulders of governments or contractors. It begins in the design phase. This is where the choice of an outsourcing partner becomes critical. When civil engineering work is outsourced to firms that integrate technology, environmental foresight, and deep domain expertise, the results are not only more efficient, but also more sustainable. AXA Engineers represents a model of this approach. With a focus on precision and regulatory alignment, this team approaches design not just as a technical task, but as an opportunity to reduce environmental risk and optimize resources. From the earliest planning stages to final as-built documentation, projects are handled with a strong emphasis on environmental efficiency and thoughtful coordination. Through the use of advanced software such as Autodesk Civil 3D, InfraWorks, Storm, and sanitary analysis, and grading optimization, AXA Engineers supports project teams in visualizing terrain accurately, simulating drainage systems, and planning construction in a way that minimizes disruption to the environment. Automated modeling and digital coordination reduce material waste, help balance cut and fill volumes, and improve compliance with local ecological regulations. These tools are not just add-ons. They are central to how engineering decisions are made and refined over the course of a project. One key advantage of this approach is the ability to anticipate and avoid costly environmental mistakes. Detailed simulations of water flow, traffic patterns, and grading scenarios allow designers to select the most sustainable option before construction ever begins. This leads to smarter land use, reduced energy consumption, and lower long-term maintenance costs. All of these benefits extend not only to clients and contractors, but also to the environment and surrounding communities. What makes this model worth noting is the way it connects day-to-day engineering decisions with long-term sustainability outcomes. Tools are chosen for their ability to bring clarity to complex environmental challenges, from stormwater management to utility placement, and processes are built around collaboration, accountability, and transparency. These are not just technical solutions. They are practical strategies that align business goals with environmental responsibility. Internally, the commitment to sustainability is reflected in how operations are run. Energy and paper conservation, waste sorting, and the integration of green design standards are not afterthoughts but embedded practices. AXA has also contributed to the Creating a Green Space Together initiative for office environments, offering a small but meaningful reminder that engineering firms can play a role in environmental stewardship that extends beyond the boundaries of project sites. Beyond technical competence, the reliability of a partner like AXA Engineers helps design firms operate with confidence. By consistently delivering high-quality outputs that meet U.S. standards and environmental expectations, outsourcing becomes more than a transactional decision. It becomes a strategic asset. This is especially valuable for firms managing fluctuating workloads or struggling with the high cost of maintaining full-time in-house teams. In a global industry where efficiency often takes precedence, civil engineering outsourcing has the potential to shift the conversation. When supported by the right expertise and tools, outsourcing becomes more than a resource strategy. It becomes a pathway towards smarter and more responsible development. Partner with AXA Engineers to design and deliver civil infrastructure that not only meets the highest technical standards, but also reflects a clear commitment to environmental responsibility.